The Honda Fit, Zimbabwe's unsung hero on wheels. In the bustling streets and across the diverse landscapes of Zimbabwe, one car has cemented its place as a true automotive icon, the Honda Fit. More than just a compact hatchback, the Fit has become a symbol of reliability, efficiency, and practicality, perfectly suited to the unique challenges and needs of Zimbabwean drivers. Why the Fit fits so well in Zimbabwe? The Honda Fit, known as the Honda Jazz in some markets, boasts a combination of features that make it an almost ideal vehicle for the Zimbabwean environment. 1. Fuel efficiency. With rising fuel costs, the Fit's exceptional fuel economy is a massive draw. Its smaller engine, typically 1.3L or 1.5L iVTEC, sips fuel, allowing drivers to go further on less, a crucial factor for both daily commuting and long-distance travel. 2. Reliability and durability. Hondas are renowned for their bulletproof reliability, and the Fit is no exception. It's a car that can handle rougher roads, variable fuel quality, and consistent use without complaint, proving itself a sturdy workhorse in conditions that might challenge lesser vehicles. 3. Versatile. Magic seats. The Fit's most celebrated feature, its magic seats, offers unparalleled interior flexibility. These seats can fold in multiple configurations: utility, long, tall, and refresh mode, allowing the Fit to carry surprisingly large and awkwardly shaped cargo, from groceries to building materials to small furniture. This adaptability is invaluable for small businesses and families alike. 4. Compact yet spacious. Despite its compact exterior dimensions, the Fit's clever packaging and central fuel tank placement create an incredibly spacious interior for passengers and cargo. This makes it easy to maneuver in congested city centers while still comfortably accommodating a family. 5. Affordability and maintenance. The initial purchase price of a used Honda Fit, particularly popular Japanese imports, is often very attractive. Furthermore, parts availability is generally good, and maintenance is straightforward, making it an economical car to own and run. 6. Resale value. Due to its immense popularity and demand, the Honda Fit holds its resale value remarkably well in Zimbabwe, making it a sound investment for many. A common sight on Zimbabwean roads. Walk through any major city in Zimbabwe, Harare, Bulawayo, Mutare, and you'll quickly notice the ubiquitous presence of the Honda Fit. From being used as reliable personal transport to serving as minicabs, popularly known as mushikashika, or pirate taxis, and delivery vehicles, the Fit is integrated into the very fabric of Zimbabwean daily life. Its humble yet capable nature has made it a favorite among diverse demographics, from students and young professionals to families and entrepreneurs. The heart of an entrepreneur. For many Zimbabweans, the Honda Fit isn't just a car, it's a tool for economic empowerment. Its low running costs and adaptable interior mean it can transform from a family car during the week to a business vehicle on weekends, transporting goods or offering rides. This versatility makes it an ideal partner for the innovative and resilient spirit of the Zimbabwean people. Looking ahead, while newer models and brands enter the market, the Honda Fit's legacy in Zimbabwe remains strong. It continues to be a top choice for those seeking a dependable, economical, and practical vehicle that can stand up to the rigors of local conditions. The Honda Fit is truly Zimbabwe's unsung automotive hero, quietly empowering communities and keeping the country moving forward, one efficient journey at a time.